Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.